Let's get right to it. First, you'll need the same number of these double-barrel heavy-duty coffee stirrers as you do quarters for your machine. The machine is not on yet, as you can see here. I got mine from Walmart for $3. Then you'll need to slightly flatten them a little, so it fits easily into your quarter slots. You can easily do this by pressing on it using your fingers. Push the quarter slot in slightly and insert the straws until you feel like it's pushing something in. These are the internal quarter slots. Keep pushing the straws gently until you feel it stop, around halfway in. Once you've inserted all your straws, push the quarter slots inwards. It might take you a couple tries. Then pull the quarter slot out. But before you pull it out all the way, take your straws out at this point so they don't get stuck. They should all come out easily. And there you go. If this method worked for you, please press that subscribe button and give this video a like. Thanks for watching.